Today I want to share a problem that's really common, especially with beginner golfers, but also with the low handicapper as well. So the problem I see is, people setting up okay, but then they want to come out of posture. Okay, so if we draw a line on the bum and then kind of a line on my head there, you'll see that kind of standing up there. I see that quite often. And then from this angle, see the head want to move away like that and also up. So in the backswing, it's really important that we stay in posture and stay in frame. Now, the left shoulder needs to work down a certain amount, okay? So in the backswing, the spine, the right side is supposed to get longer, and then the left side is supposed to get shorter. If you can do this correctly, you'll see that the right glute will want to actually work back a little bit instead of like that, and it's all to do with the left shoulder. One of my favorite drills for this is to put an object about 2 feet in front of the ball. Okay, can be anything. I like to put a golf ball there. What I do is I set up to this ball, then I put the club on my shoulders, the shaft on the left side there. Okay, make sure it's level. And then from here, what I want to do is I want to get this shaft to point to that ball like that, instead of level with the ground there. You can see my head really wants to move a lot. So the backswing is a combination of turning and tilting. If, let's say, golf was standing up, it would be very easy, right? All we would have to do is just turn. But since we're bending a little bit more from the hips, a little bit from the knees, now if we only turn, we can see we're going to move off a lot. Now if we only tilt, we'll move this way. So it's like a perfect combination, like a 50-50 of turning and tilting. And how we do that is by getting the left shoulder to work more down. So this drill here should help a lot.